Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Rahul Mondal, expert in Google Analytics for server-side tracking, Facebook API conversion, Google conversion tracking, LinkedIn tracking. So if you are looking for all of this service, you can contact me. You will get my email and WhatsApp in the description. So let's get started. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to give the access of your container to someone. Suppose you don't want to give the access of the administrative access, so you can give the container access. And suppose you have lots of container under an account, so you can give the particular container access to someone. So here you can see the option user management. So click on the user management here. But if you are giving the access of your container permission, then that person can create any new container under this account, because you have not given that person the access of your account. So that's why if the person needs to create container for server container, then that person cannot create, because you are giving the access of only container. So to give the access, click on the plus icon and add user, and paste the email address to whom you are giving this access. So suppose I am giving access to this Gmail. This email I am giving this access, so click everything and check everything, every box, and then click invitation. Invitation pending, so I will check whether I got the invitation or not. You can check it from email, or you will get the invitation from the Google Tag Manager. Go to Google Tag Manager, you will see the invitation from this account. You don't have to open Gmail, you can get the access here. So click on the invitation and accept it. So this email has got the access of this account. You can see here I've got this access. Only content access. You can see this access I have got, not cosmetic. So if I create a container, I can create, but it will not be under cosmetic. So thank you so much for watching my video.